You know, in medical school, we spend countless hours learning about the complexities of the human body, but sometimes the simplest things make the biggest difference. Today, we're diving into the 6 basic nutrients essential for your body's optimal functioning. Think of these nutrients as the fundamental building blocks for a healthier and more energetic you. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your body relies on a balanced intake of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Throughout this video, we'll break down each nutrient, explore their amazing benefits, and show you how to easily incorporate them into your daily diet. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, understanding these essential nutrients is crucial for unlocking your body's full potential. So, grab a glass of water, get comfortable, and let's embark on this exciting journey to a healthier you together. Let's talk about carbohydrates, often demonized but actually your body's primary source of energy. Think of them as the fuel that powers your brain, muscles, and every single cell. But here's the catch. Not all carbs are created equal. We have simple carbohydrates found in processed foods and sugary drinks, which can lead to those dreaded energy crashes. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide sustained energy release, keeping you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Choosing complex carbs over simple ones is like opting for a steady burning fireplace log instead of kindling. They provide a slow and steady release of energy, preventing those energy spikes and dips. So, load up on those whole grains, fruits, and veggies to keep your engine running smoothly. Next up, we have protein, the building block of life. Protein plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a healthy immune system. Think of it as the construction crew of your body, constantly working behind the scenes to keep you in tip-top shape. Whether you're a vegetarian or a meat lover, there are plenty of delicious sources of protein to choose from. Lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products are excellent sources for non-vegetarians. Vegetarians can obtain their protein from beans, lentils, tofu, nuts, and seeds. Incorporating a variety of protein sources into your diet ensures that you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs to thrive. Remember, a healthy and balanced diet should include a good portion of protein with every meal. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: fats. For years, fats have been wrongly demonized, but the truth is, our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. The key is to differentiate between the good guys and the bad guys. Unsaturated fats, found in avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish, are your heart's best friend. They help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support brain health. Saturated and trans fats, found in processed foods, fried foods, and baked goods, are the ones to watch out for. Think of unsaturated fats as the premium fuel that keeps your engine running smoothly, while saturated and trans fats clog up the system, increasing your risk of heart disease and other health problems. So make smart choices and opt for those heart-healthy unsaturated fats whenever possible. Vitamins are like the spark plugs of your body, essential for a wide range of bodily functions, from boosting your immune system to keeping your bones strong. Although they're needed in small amounts, their impact on your health is significant. We have 13 essential vitamins, each with its unique role to play. Vitamin A, for instance, is crucial for vision and cell growth, while vitamin C supports immune function and collagen production. Vitamin D helps with calcium absorption, and vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. To ensure you're getting your daily dose of these essential vitamins, aim for a colorful and varied diet packed with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Remember, a diverse diet is a key to unlocking optimal health. Let's move on to minerals, another group of essential nutrients that often don't get the attention they deserve. Minerals play a crucial role in various bodily functions, from regulating fluid balance to building strong bones and teeth. Calcium, for instance, is essential for strong bones and teeth, while iron helps transport oxygen throughout the body. Magnesium plays a role in over 300 bodily processes, including muscle function and nerve transmission. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, and zinc supports immune function and wound healing. Just like vitamins, minerals are found in a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, dairy products, lean meats, and whole grains. A balanced and varied diet is your best bet for ensuring you're getting enough of these essential minerals. Last but certainly not least, we have water, the elixir of life. Water is involved in every single bodily function, from regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients and flushing out waste products. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for maintaining optimal health and well-being. The amount of water you need each day varies depending on factors like your activity level and climate, but a good rule of thumb is to aim for 8 glasses a day. You can also increase your water intake by incorporating more water-rich fruits and vegetables into your diet, such as watermelon, cucumber, and spinach. Remember, even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. So make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on it regularly. Your body will thank you. So there you have it, a breakdown of the 6 essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. Remember, a balanced diet that incorporates all these nutrients is crucial for maintaining optimal health, boosting energy levels, and preventing chronic diseases. Be mindful of your nutrient intake, choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, and listen to your body's cues. Small changes to your diet can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.